There is a science to how you can have the perfect day hour by hour, to multiply how productive you are, improve how you feel, and accelerate your development. Your body has an internal rhythm, and certain systems turn on at different times to make you more prepared for certain activities, such as mind-altering reflection, focused work, light work, exercise, and sleep. After synthesizing all of the data and testing it out myself, I have created the exact hour-by-hour guide, and we're going to go through it in detail right now. Let's start at the beginning. 7 a.m. Wake up. Generally, wake up with the sun. Melatonin production will come to an end as your body is exposed to sunlight. And as you live in a certain location over time, your body will have come into alignment with the sun's movements. So therefore, it's optimal for you to wake up with the sun. In general, 7 a.m. is a good time to get up. You will get a cortisol and adrenaline spike as you wake up. This is your body helping you to start your day. It's chemicals that balance the melatonin in your system. Cortisol and adrenaline will also dehydrate you, so make sure to start your day with a glass of water. Want an extra level up in your start? Then get a warm glass of water with lemon squeezed in it to start your day. 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. The golden hour, number 1. This 2-hour window is where your mind is the most open. The reason for this is that your brain is going from the dreamy theta waves to the awake beta waves, and in between, there are alpha waves that pop up. These alpha waves make the brain more impressionable and open to new ideas. Also, your sleep is going to help you start with a mental blank slate, which will facilitate clarity and focus. And the peak in cortisol that helps you get up is going to increase your alertness and ability to focus with your mind. Therefore, what you think about, what you read, what you see are going to make the most impression on your brain during this period. You must treat these 2 hours like fleeting gold. During this time, do a mixture of the following things. Reflect on your life goals. Journal about what you want to accomplish in life, in this year, in the day. Say thanks to what you are grateful for in life. Say out loud to yourself affirmations of what you wish to embody. Some examples are, I am disciplined and will work very hard. I am going to be wealthy. I will be very healthy. I will build something valuable for the world. I will grow a happy family. Read a chapter of a book that holds what you wish to learn or become. Generally, it is a window of time where what you focus on will more deeply ingrain itself to your psyche. Imagine if you use this time asleep or in front of the TV or scrolling through social media. Make sure that you absolutely do not let any junk come through during this window. Oh yeah, and make sure to have a balanced breakfast towards the end of this window of time. 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. noon. Focus time. This period of time is when your wake-up cortisol is still present, so your brain is alert and ready to dive into focused work. Make sure you use this period of time to just get things done. Accomplish tasks that need your brain to crank through problems. Gather the most challenging tasks into this time period and apply your focused brain onto them. Make sure to get up and move around from time to time to give your brain the right break and your body to produce the right chemicals from movement and sun exposure. 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Lunch. Time to eat. Eat well. Eat balanced. Won't get into it in detail, but you know the drill. Avoid sugar, avoid processed, eat a variety of vegetables, get protein. Please, treat your diet seriously. We'll dive into this topic some other time. It's just too important. And make sure you move your body after you eat also. Go for a walk outside. Do some squats. Just make sure to move. Another critical topic. So much to get into, but gotta focus. 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Midday recovery. This is when your energy dips. You shouldn't fight it. That's the whole point of this. If you move aligned with your body state, then you'll be able to do more with less wear and tear. This period of time is when your morning cortisol levels are declining. And all of the mental muscles that you wisely used in the morning are in need of a relaxation and recharge. The lunch you ate will also be redirecting your body's energy towards your stomach, which induces food coma and tires you down. You could benefit from a short nap during this window, maybe for 10 to 20 minutes. It helps accelerate some of the mental recharge that you need and helps reverse some of the decrease in energy. Moving together with your natural energy levels will help you preserve overall productivity and reduce the amount of stress you experience from fighting against the flow. 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Final focus. This is the last window of the day where you should be doing focused work. After your midday slump and recovery, your mind will have a few hours left where it can apply itself to solving problems on your list before your body starts producing melatonin. This is secondary to your first window of focused work, which was from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So you should be handling a lower amount of focused work, and you should also be fitting in a balanced meal for dinner at the end of this window as well. 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Sweat time. This is when you are at your strongest, when your body is ready to use its muscles, which will help with the quality of your workout, but also with preventing injury. And this would be at a time when you have accumulated the most mental load and stress throughout the day. So a 1-hour workout can do a great job at cleaning your mind and balancing your emotions. Exercise produces some amazing chemicals in your body. These include endorphins, endocannabinoids, dopamine, serotonin, and brain-derived neurotrophic factor. These all help enhance your mood and perspective, improve cognitive flexibility, and regulate your stress. And they segue really well into enhancing your sleep and prepare you for an even better day the next day. The chain reaction of value that exercise at this time provides is too beneficial to ignore. Don't miss out on this one. It's too good. 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Golden hour number 2. This is the second window of the mind opening. The combination of exercise flushing and cleaning the mind and the main hustle of the day winding down, and the world around you quieting down and the sky turning dark, brings about a calmness to your mind that presents an opportunity to feed it with reflection and guiding affirmations. Similar to how you leveraged the first golden hour, you should do so again, but you can focus on how your day went and how you intend to address tomorrow. Reflect on how you progressed toward your life goals today. Or journal about what you were proud of today and what you were grateful for today, and also what you saw as something you could improve from today. Read another chapter of the book that you were reading in the morning. This is also a great time for you to identify your tasks you wish to accomplish tomorrow, and you should write those down on a visible board somewhere in your home. Now you're all set to start the next day on the right foot. 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. This is wind down time. Your melatonin production should be ramping up. Your internal body temperature should be going down. Your body is getting you ready to sleep. You should put all your electronic devices away. Turn off your TV, plug in your phone somewhere away from the room that you sleep in. Stay away from any blue light. Wash up, brush your teeth, do your skincare, finish some cleanup around your house. Prepare your bedroom for optimal sleep. Get the temperature of the room right and set the alarm. Avoid any fluid or food intake. Focus on any oxytocin-releasing activities such as a warm bath, cuddling, self-care, meditation, and mindful breathing. Just relax, get comfortable, and get ready to start your sleep by 10 p.m. 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Plan to be asleep starting 10 p.m. From 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. is a very important window of time where you would benefit by being asleep. This is when optimal levels of melatonin are usually produced. If you miss this window, then you may be sleeping at a time that is not aligned with your peak melatonin production. Also, generally, midnight is when you reach your lowest cortisol levels. And if you coincide the lowest cortisol levels with highest melatonin levels, and you being in REM sleep, then you have reached the combination of things that will produce the most healing and growth while you sleep. A whole set of very beneficial processes occur during this window of sleep and the rest of sleep, but we won't get into that here. Just know that this time period is usually the golden pocket of sleep. You will see the most mental, physical, and emotional benefit if you adjust to this schedule each day. And if you'd like to get some additional tips on powerful daily habits, check out this video here.